Hello everybody. There's this urgent thing that I need to tell everybody that this game right here, not tricking anybody, because look, games, I just click on it and it goes right to the... Where did it go? Well, anyway, couple seconds ago it was right here, and it was right here. Robux, tons of people have played it and stuff, but don't do it. When you start it, it will tell you it will not give you a virus, but it'll tell you to go to this website, Robux TV, not .com, and my computer has blocked it because it's already given me a threat. But um, hold on. Uh, will yeah, it won't let me. All right, never mind then. But it'll tell you to go to that website, and once you get to the website, it'll give you a virus, and my this Avast Free Antivirus said that there was a threat detected and it resolved it, but so I was just hoping that I could get this out before lots of people would try and play this, because really you don't need to do this. It will give you a virus once you do start, and don't be these people that favorite it or like it. Don't be them. Just also it'll tell you to go to certain websites or download certain things. Don't do that either. It's just trying to download you a virus, and I just wanted to tell you guys before anybody would play too much on it or something. So yeah, just so you guys know. Refreshed it. It's not a fake, just so you know. And just wanted to tell you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!